These fucking warblers aren't gonna find themselves, my good bitch. I just found a prairie warbler, and a flycatcher I couldn't identify. May have been eastern wood pewee. I don't know. Call you back. My Merlin bird of the day, Swainson's warbler. Not finding that. It's the Merlin bird of the day curse. Call you back. An immature grosbeak. I know it's grosbeak. Just fuck off. Whatever. That whistle is not somebody thinking I'm hot as fuck. Which I am, but that's a tufted titmouse. It's over there.